My name is Sarah Scepanski. I am a co-owner of Scepanski Roofing in Norwich, Connecticut. We are at the Chester Point Marina in Chester, Connecticut. I've known roofing my whole life. My dad started his business back in 1971, so by the time I was born, I was going to roofing conventions and taking trips in his truck to pick up lumber and shingles my whole life. So I was one of the only girls ever at some of those things. And as I got older, I was still one of the only girls. But now it's refreshing to actually see more and more women in the roofing industry in any capacity. Being a woman in roofing is interesting. You know, sometimes I think people, they question, wait, what do you do? There's always a kind of a disbelief, like, oh, you're a woman. What is your profession? You're not a teacher or a nurse? Nope. We are installing roofs on houses, installing roofs on businesses. We do install snow retention systems and snow guards. The installation seems to be easier. It seems to be going a little bit faster. The pieces are pre-assembled. Some parts are pre-assembled, so we're able to spend more time on the roof and getting it installed rather than just assembling it ourselves. Things are going quicker. Yeah, it's a good product. The AceClamp staff is top-notch. They're very friendly, very helpful. Any phone calls I've had to make to them get answered right away. Any emails get answered right away. And they're all knowledgeable. They know their product. They know how to help if there's a technical support issue or an installation issue. They are right there with helping hands. I'm Sarah Scepanski, owner of Scepanski Roofing in Norwich, Connecticut, and I highly recommend AceClamp snow retention systems.